Sometimes when it's been a long day at work, the last thing you feel like doing is coming home to cook, but you still want something healthy and delicious? Then I've got the perfect solution for you: bulgur bowls. Packed with nutritious bulgur and filled with your favorite toppings, it's so good, so delicious, and so healthy. It's a quick weeknight meal and the perfect solution to your hunger fix. I'll show you how it's done.
So here I have 1/3 of a cup of bulgur. It's dried bulgur, and what I've done is I've already added some salt, some pepper, and some dried mint. And then to the 1/3 cup of dried bulgur, I double it. So I add 2/3 of a cup of boiling water, and I just boil the water just straight from my tea kettle. Super simple. And then you literally just take a piece of plastic wrap and cover it, or a plate and cover it, and then let it set for 10 minutes, and then you have bulgur here. You see it's quite a bit. And then to that, literally I prepared some toppings. So I have some chickpeas that I prepared, some dried chickpeas, and that I boiled and cooked. And then I diced some veggies. So I have some tomato, I have some nice cucumber, a little bit of shredded carrots, some olives that I've deep-pitted, a lemon for my vinaigrette topping that's going to go on top of the bulgur bowl. And then I also have some fresh parsley because I just love fresh herbs when cooking, and I just add such a nice bit of flavor without adding additional calories, so it's a win. Alright, and then also some frozen corn. So now we can just top our bulgur bowl. So what I will do is just take a fork and just kind of break up my bulgur a little bit. Just like that. Just like you're breaking up rice. Super simple. And I love adding the herbs and the seasoning to it while it's cooking because I find that it just makes it so much simpler actually to prepare it. Like when it's done, you don't have to add anything, it already tastes good, and it's good just like this. Sometimes I eat just a bowl of bulgur just like this. Alright, so now that I've broken up the bulgur, I'm going to start adding the toppings. So this is awesome. If you have friends over, you can make a bunch of this and then set it out like buffet style and totally just make it a bulgur bowl night. Like, inform your friends that this is kind of like a rice bowl, but it's made with bulgur. So tonight, I'm just using vegetarian toppings, but you would totally, if you have meat on hand or if you have some sauteed mushrooms, this is a great meal to make with leftovers. So to my bulgur, I'm going to add my shredded carrots in one corner here. It's like building a little ship here. And then some tomato, just like that. Already looks so good. And then I want to add some corn. I think I'm going to go to the other corner for my corn. And I love it because this is one of those dishes that's so colorful. It's so beautiful. You eat with your eyes first, so why not make it something beautiful? And you put all the trouble and effort into preparing something, so make it look great. Why not, right? Alright, and then I'm going to add some of my chickpeas here. So they are kind of my protein along with the egg. And I love that. Like, it's so nice when you have something like chickpeas or beans. They are a great protein alternative to just having meat all the time. Sometimes it's nice to switch it up. I mean, I love meat, don't get me wrong, but sometimes it's nice to have a little meatless. And then I'm going to take some of the parsley here. In the corner here. Wow, guys, this already looks beautiful. So colorful, so fresh. And then I have a cucumber. I'm going to place it right here in this corner. Just like that. And then I have some black olives. So I'm just going to place right there. And this is about 6 to 8 black olives that I've de-seeded. I ate one along the way, so maybe about 7. And then I have my egg, so I'm just going to place my egg right in the center. And there you have it, like a beautiful, delicious bulgur bowl, packed with everything that I love to eat, and you can pack it with everything you love to eat. And then when you do your bulgur bowl night, you can share it with your friends and make it really enjoyable. Now, this would be great on its own. It would already be delicious. It's packed with flavor. I've seasoned my ingredients, but I have some tahini and some olive oil, and I'm going to make a little bit of a dressing. So, a bowl here. I'm going to take a little bit of tahini, just pour it in, about a big tablespoon. Then a couple of tablespoons of olive oil here, and with my whisk, I'm just going to give it a quick whisk. Just like that. So nicely incorporated. And then now I will add a little bit of lemon juice. Just squeeze it right in, about half a lemon. Oh good, this is the juicy one. Whisk it again. And now I have a lovely, simple, delicious dressing that I can just drizzle right on top. So, literally for my bowl and my delicious dressing that I will wait to drizzle on top and eat it as I go. But that's all you need. So if you're doing a bulgur bowl night, you just prepare a bunch of this dressing ahead of time, set it out with the ingredients on your buffet, have everyone prepare their own bulgur bowl. Super simple. All you have to do is set out the ingredients and it's so good. And then also this is a great meal to stack up and make for work. You could stack it up in like a nice jar and it's beautiful and your coworkers will be like, where did you get that from? And you can say, I made it at home. Trust me, I've done this before for work. It lasts, it keeps in the refrigerator and it's so delicious and it's healthy and it's really good. So, can't get any better than that. So, there you have your delicious bulgur bowl for your weeknight meal in a hurry. Healthy but delicious and so simple. Enjoy!
My hard work paid off. A delicious, healthy bulgur bowl, and time to savor it and enjoy. My healthy weeknight meal in a flash right here. Time for the taste. So good. So many different flavors. Healthy, light, but filling. So good. You've got to give these bulgur bowls a try. It's your reward to yourself after such a long day. And don't worry, the rest of your week will get better.